Hi! In front of me is iPhone 13 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it through Bluetooth. First of all, you need to go into device settings over here and choose Bluetooth. Now click on the switcher if it's not already on to activate it and wait for available devices to show up. When they do, click on the one that you wish to connect to, wait a bit and select pair in the Bluetooth pop-up. Now you need to wait for this device to accept your connection request, and as you can see, my devices were successfully connected. If you wish to forget this connection, click on this icon next to the device, choose disconnect and forget this device. Then confirm your choice by tapping on forget device one more time. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!